Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step to check saved contacts on your Gmail account. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Google and tap on top right your Google accounts. After that, you have to click on Google account. After clicking on Google account, you have to wait for a while here. After that, here you have to click on Peoples and Sharing. Now here you have to click on People and Sharing. After clicking on this, you have to click on the contact below. You can see this arrow in front of the contacts. Click on this arrow. When you click on the arrow, here you have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds. After that, here you can see all the contacts have come which are from my Google account. In this way you can view the saved contact from inside your Google account. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.